Hey, what's up, guys? It's November 24th, 2023, 12:30 GMT local Icelandic time. We are looking at the Reykjanes Peninsula's earthquake activity. And as you can see in the map, we are currently just seeing the diminishing of the activity happening and possible eruption. So there's not much to update on, just that everything is kind of like just falling back into normal conditioning. We could see that there has been roughly not that much going on in the last 12 to 24 hours, and a handful of earthquakes under 1 magnitude in the last 0 to 4 hours. So we can see things just quieting down. There's nothing to really report on or observe until anything dramatic happens again. We can kind of just put this back on the shelf for now, because although it was very intense, the eruption doesn't look like it's gonna happen at this point. It was more of a underground disruptive scenario, and more than not to the city of Grindavik, because they got the worst out of it. So the likelihood of a sudden eruption within Grindavik area decreasing daily. On November 21st, approximately 300 earthquakes were detected in the region of the magma intrusion from midnight on to 22 November to 1800 UTC. On the same day, around 100 earthquakes had been recorded in the same region, which is considerably less than in recent days. Additionally, the intensity of earthquakes above magnitude 2.0 has decreased. During the period of severe weather on the 21st and 22nd of November, efforts were made to assess how weather conditions and ocean swell influences IMO's monitoring system. So things are just quiet, and this might be the last update, if anything, until something more dramatic happens. But this is a dormant, it feels like it's going back to a dormant stage. So there's that period when we had the beginning of the eruption in 2021, then it went dormant, then it came back in 2022, then it went dormant, and then it came back this year, earlier in the year, and then when it went dormant, and now we thought it was going to come back at the end of the same year, but we didn't get the eruption. So it's not to say that it's not likely to happen, but it's very, 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 very slim at this point. So we'll just keep monitoring, and like I said, the only thing that's more concerning is the city of Grindavik and the rebuilding and just getting people back to their homes and getting everything back to normal in that area. So that's about it.